Hello class 10. Let us continue the chapter named sphere. I have already done long answer type question. Now I am going to start very short answer type question. Sum number 14, MCQ question. A1. The volume of a solid sphere having the radius of 2r units length is what? I know the volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. Okay, here r equal to 2r unit here. So volume equal to 4 by 3 pi 2r whole cube cubic unit. 4 by 3 into 8r cube cubic unit equal to 32 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. Okay, answer A is correct. I am going to the next sum. A2. If the ratio of the volumes of two solid spheres is 1:8, the ratio of their curved surface areas. Let R1 and R2 be two radii of two spheres, and V1 and V2 be two volumes, and C1 and C2 be two curved surface area of two spheres respectively. Okay, I have V1 by V2 equal to 1 by 8 equal to 4 by 3. V1 by V2 equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube by 4 by 3 pi R2 cube equal to 1 by 8. 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 cancel out. R1 by R2 whole cube equal to 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 2 whole cube. That is R1 by R2 equal to 1 by 2. Curved surface area C1 by C2 equal to 4 pi R1 square by 4 pi R2 square. 4 pi cancel out. R1 by R2 square equal to half square, that is 1 by 4 equal to 1:4. So answer B is correct. Okay. Sum number 3. The whole surface area of a solid hemisphere of length 7 centimeter radius, that is radius equal to 7 centimeter it is given the whole surface area of solid hemisphere is 3 pi r square when r equal to radius. This 3 pi square unit, 3 pi r square unit when r equal to radius. That means 3 pi r square equal to 3 pi, r means here 7 square centimeter. 3 pi into 49 square centimeter. 147 pi square centimeter. So the answer C is correct. Okay. Now I am going to the next sum, 15A4. If the ratio of curved surface area of two solid sphere is 16:9, the ratio of their volumes is what? R1 equal to, let R1 equal to radius of first sphere, R2 equal to radius of second sphere, C1 equal to curved surface area of first sphere, C2 equal to curved surface area of second sphere. Here C1 by C2 equal to 4 pi R1 square by 4 pi R2 square equal to 16 by 9. It is given 4 pi cancel out. R1 by R2 whole square equal to 4 by 3 whole square. That is R1 by R2 equal to 4 by 3. And V1 equal to volume of first sphere and V2 equal to volume of second sphere. That is V1 by V2 equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube by 4 by 3 pi R2 cube equal to 4 by 3 pi cancel out. R1 by R2 whole cube, this is equal to 4 by 3 whole cube, 64 by 27, that is 64:27. Answer A is correct. I am ending here, and next sum is coming with next video. Okay.